Ekpad Uttanasana. Come to the starting position. Bend your left knee, placing the left sole next to the right knee. Now we are going to start raising the right leg. Raise it up to 15 degrees, making sure that the knee is not bending. Now take it up to 30 degrees, up to 45 degrees. Here both the knees are going to be in one line. Now come back 30 degrees, hold at the angle of 30 degrees. We are going to hold for 15 to 20 seconds every place. Hold it up to 15 degrees and release. Straighten your left knee. We repeat this with the other leg.